All right. Hello, everyone. This is 3rd of April, and markets were absolutely a feast today. It didn't move at all, except for a few initial moves. There was absolutely flat and then one side trending move. I mean, you can't call this a move also. It's just 40 points, like from the up move you can see here. So this is Nifty, and let me show you how it behaved. Nifty behaved from the midline, approximate midline. So it like from opening it like it was 0.37 up, and then it went like zero point 0.3 down, and then again somewhere close to zero point 0.3 up. So it was a very smooth day for all the option sellers. I think none of the option systems would have lost today. Now bank nifty was like sideways, and then it started one way move, but it was very nicely done, and captured everything. So I would like to pull your attention towards this 15 o'clock candle. Now after this, there was not a move of, I mean, not enough move, and it closed exactly where it is. Okay, almost 20-30 points higher. Even in the Fin Nifty, it happened almost the same. Okay, after 15 o'clock, there was not much move, and due to averaging, this spot closed at 18,150. Now I had some 18,150 straddles open, but I'll just show you my orders. But today's, yeah, before that, today's PNL is 9,680 rupees. Okay, now you have to see here that all my orders got booked at 15:00 hours. Okay, I'll tell you the reason. The reason is mainly because you see here, this is 15 o'clock reading and it is 9,728, and due to some glitch which I have to correct in my code, it went up to 12,122 rupees. Okay, and suddenly after in the next tick onward, it came down to 9,500. So here it booked, and while booking, it was like a positive slippage of 170 rupees. Okay, so and let me show you, like, this happened at 15 o'clock, right? So at 15 o'clock, bank nifty was at 400, some 455 or something, and then it gave a decay of 30 more points after 15 o'clock. Even nifty gave a decay of 15 points, and fin nifty though, of course, it went like from 45 to 0. Okay, so let me show you my m2m chart, how it went. My m2m chart was like, till the time it was sideways and nifty was moving up and down, it went like, in a straight line up, and then there came a down move where there was a very little decay in the market, and market was started to go up by this time. Okay, so when it started to go up, my positions were all bullish, and the markets also supported me. Now you see this point, there is a small spike here, which you cannot see that this line is getting touched, but actually my m2 went to 12,100 something, and then uh, but that was not the case. My m2 was still at 9,700, so it should not have booked at this point, but it did because there was a 2,000 rupees difference between the maximum and current PNL. So I guess I missed on a profit of another 10,000 rupees because there was a massive decay, and none of my stop loss would have been hit in that small move there. But yes, ultimately I have to be happy with whatever the end result is because it's my code, okay, and it's my strategy. Okay, so every day you will see that my like one trade tron tab is open. Why? Because I'm running some paper trade there. Okay, so all right. So this is the first day of quarter. I have put the entry here, 9,681 for a total capital of 19,63,111 rupees. Okay. So let's see. This financial year has started very calm, in a very calm manner. I hope that the same thing continues, and all the best to all of you guys for the new financial year. And very soon I'll be coming up with a video explaining you about a strategy, like how to build a strategy. Okay, and then I'm also keeping my records ready, like whatever the values which would be required. So it's like either today or tomorrow evening I'll be posting another video showing you the strategy how you can build. And even if you like go on to use this strategy which I'll be showing, you'll be making money. So till the time, till tomorrow, see you all, and all the best for this current financial year. Take care. Bye bye.